Want to know how to fix can't be displayed in Telegram? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to fix can't be displayed in Telegram. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open any browser in your screen and tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Search for web.telegram.org and select the first search result on your screen. Now you will need to log into your Telegram account. You can either log in by entering your phone number or by QR code. Select according to your preference. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of your screen and select Settings. Then scroll down and tap on the Private and Security option right above the chat folders. Moreover, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the 18+ content right under the Sensitive Content option to view the content that was blocked. So this is how to fix can't be displayed in Telegram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.